Assessment of adiposity and its distribution using anthropometric measurement has always been one of the important methods of assessing adiposity. Available epidemiological data indicate that as compared to Caucasians, Indians have a higher body fat for any given BMI. The tendency for higher adiposity begins right from infancy and childhood and goes on right through adult life. Both the amount and the distribution of adipose tissue have been shown to influence the risk of cardiovascular disease. This has led to increasing attention being paid to assessment of fat mass and its distribution, both in children and in adults. Circumferential measurements such as mid-arm circumference, waist and hip circumference, and waist-hip ratio computation are easy to take and provide excellent information about distribution of body fat. Measurement of fat fold thickness, triceps, biceps, suprailiac, subscapular fat folds measured using Harpenden scales provide excellent information for assessment of fat mass and its distribution. However, fat fold thickness measurement requires trained and skilled persons, and this has come in the way of widespread use of this relatively simple technique for assessment of mass. The first step in measuring fat fold thickness is to check the specification or the caliper that is being made available for the measurement. Ideally, the caliper dial graduation should be 0.2 millimeters. The range of measurement should be between 0 and 80 theoretically, but on practical terms, it should be able to measure accurately fat fold thickness between 4 and 40 millimeters. The measuring pressure is the crucial single key for accuracy of measurement. It is 10 grams per millimeter square. Accuracy rating for this instrument should be about 99% and repeatability in the hands of trained, accurate people who have been used to measuring fat fold thickness is zero point 0.2. The first thing that has to be checked before using Harpenden caliper is to check for zero error. If there is no zero error, the instrument has to be checked for accuracy in measurement of fat fold thickness in a person who has normal fat and compared with the measurements done using a standard fat fold thickness measurement caliper. The picture here shows how fat fold thickness in a person who tends to be overweight is to be measured. The person has to stand erect but well relaxed. The arms should be lying by the sides. The mid upper arm level should have already been marked earlier. As can be seen in the picture, the first step is to go just above the mid upper arm marking and pick up the fat fold using the thumb and the forefinger. This maneuver is inevitably rather painful because we are picking the fat fold from underlying deep tissue. So, the person on whom the measurement is being made should be warned about this small discomfort. Once the fat fold has been picked up, the Harpenden caliper is to be inserted at the level of the mid upper arm circumference indicator and steady. Once the reading is steady, the reading on the dial is to be taken. In this you can see clearly the difference in mid upper arm fat fold triceps measurement in a thin person and in a person who is overweight. The amount of pressure exerted and ease of measurement and the pain inflicted are all more in the person who is more obese. The measurement of fat thickness in yet another adipose individual shown here, and the Harpenden dial clearly indicates high adipose. Measurement of fat fold thickness in older persons and those who have a more readily pickable fat fold loose is somewhat easier because fat fold can then be easily lifted off the underlying fascia. The fat fold thickness should never be lifted off from below the mid upper arm circumference marking. This is a temptation for people who are shorter than those on whom they are measuring the fat fold thickness, but will inevitably result in the fat fold being underestimated as compared to measurement taken by the Harpenden when the fat fold was picked up just above the mid upper arm mark.